You may remember that ICOR launched a drug discovery program called Intoxerine last year, which focused on cellular senescence, which has been a recurring topic at this conference today. And the basis of our technology is shown here. This is a solubility tag. We call it RP tag. And what this allows us to do is if we express a protein of interest and we attach this to the N-terminus, it allows us in a scalable way to make very difficult to express proteins. Now, we like being biophysics nerds, so no one appreciates this, but what this allows us to do is it's an enabling technology where we can do high throughput drug screening on very difficult to make targets that we believe are much more, lead to much more biologically relevant assays. Now, I can't say a whole lot about the progress of our work, except to say that today we can announce publicly for the first time that we've closed a $10 million deal with Juvenescence to develop our collection of small molecule compounds targeting cellular senescence. That press release came out about 2 hours ago. But wait, there's more. That was only the first generation of the technology platform. And today what I'd really like to dive into is how we want to continue developing the technology and what our second and third generations of this tech look like. So in early 2017, we identified that we could actually split this solubility tag into two different fragments. We're very original, so we called it RP tag large for the large piece and RP tag small for the small piece. And what's significant about this is that these two tags bind each other with antibody level affinity. So the graph on the left, the y-axis, shows fraction bound from 0 to 100%, and we titrated in additional protein on the x-axis. And if you look at the black line, what that's showing is that RP tag large and small bind each other, again, with antibody level affinity with a KD of about 1 nanomole. This compares very favorably to our control antibody, which was an anti-His antibody and its epitope 6-His tag. And we also see that when we combined RP tag large or small with BSA, we don't really see off-target binding. It seems to be pretty specific for its target. Now, what this allowed us to do is generate a whole suite of protein chemistry tools for our company. We could mix and match the RP tag large and small with plates, chips, fluorophores, proteins, beads, you name it. And that was able to drive a lot of the R&D at our company.